Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore social proof strategy with Trustpilot, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your social proof strategy with Trustpilot, begin by creating an account on Trustpilot's website. Visit trustpilot.com and click on sign up. Choose the option that best matches your business type. Fill in the required details, including your business name and email address. Confirm your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. Next, start collecting reviews from customers. Encourage satisfied customers to leave feedback on Trustpilot. You can send direct links via email or embed requests on your website. Use the automated review invitation feature for efficient outreach. Monitor the incoming reviews regularly. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, to show engagement. Highlight the best reviews on your website and marketing materials. Leverage Trustpilot's widgets to showcase ratings visibly. This will enhance credibility and attract new customers. Regularly analyze your review performance in the Trustpilot dashboard. Track trends and identify areas for improvement. Consider integrating Trustpilot with your CRM for better review management. Keep your review strategy consistent to maintain momentum. With time, expect to see improved trust in conversions. By following these steps, you can effectively restore and enhance your social proof strategy using Trustpilot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.